Hey everyone, welcome back to MTH Health. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, quite literally, waxing. If you're looking for smooth, hair-free skin, waxing is a great choice for many women. But with so many options on the market, which wax is best for you? Stick around to learn the top 5 best waxes for women, their benefits, and some must-have tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest beauty and wellness tips. Benefits of waxing. Let's start with the basics. Why wax in the first place? Waxing offers many unique advantages over other hair removal methods, such as shaving or creams. 1. Long-lasting results. Waxing removes hair from the root, which means you can enjoy smooth skin for 4 to 6 weeks. 2. Fine and moderate regrowth. With regular waxing, hair is often finer and softer, making the next waxing session even easier. 3. Exfoliation. Did you know that waxing also removes dead skin cells? It's like getting a mini exfoliation treatment every time. 4. Less irritation compared to shaving. Waxing causes less irritation and reduces the risk of cuts and razor bumps. So, if you're looking for a hair removal method that leaves your skin looking smoother and younger, waxing is definitely worth considering. Types of wax. Now that you know why to wax, let's talk about what type of wax to choose. Not all waxes are created equal, and choosing the right type can make all the difference in your waxing experience. 1. Hard wax is great for sensitive areas like the face, bikini line and underarms. It hardens to the skin, and can be removed without a bandage, making it less painful. 2. Soft wax. Perfect for large areas like legs and arms. It is thinly applied and removed with a strip, making it ideal for fine hair removal. 3. Strip wax. A subtype of soft wax, it is applied to the skin and removed with a strip of cloth or paper. It is fast and effective but may not be suitable for very sensitive areas. 4. Hot wax is applied at a high temperature, it opens up the pores and makes hair removal easier. Great for thick, coarse hair, but be careful with heat. Top 5 waxes for women. Well, it's time for the star of the show, our top 5 best waxes for women. We'll break down the pros and cons of each, so you can choose according to your needs. 1. Gigi Brazilian Body Hard Wax. Perfect for thick hair and sensitive areas, no strips are needed. Cons. Can be a bit difficult for beginners. 2. Ready-to-use wax strips. Easy to apply, mess-free, and pre-applied to strips. Damages may not be as effective on shorter hair. 3. Satin Smooth Honey Soft Wax. Profession. Suitable for all skin types, gentle on the skin. Cons. Need strips and more time. 4. Syrupil Blue Wax Beads. Profession. Customized application, less pain, good for face and body. Cons. Requires a wax warmer, time for more preparation. 5. Nads Natural Hair Removal Gel. Features hypoallergenic and all natural ingredients. Cons. Not strong for thick hair. Remember, each wax has its own strengths, so consider your skin type and the area you're waxing when choosing. Tips for choosing the right wax. Now, let's get down to some quick tips to help you choose the perfect wax. 1. Consider your skin sensitivity. If you have sensitive skin, choose waxes or natural formulations. 2. Mixing wax with coarse hair type. Go for hot or hard wax. Fine hair. Soft wax will do the trick. 3. Check the ingredients. Avoid waxes with harsh chemicals if you have allergies or reactive skin. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to choosing the best wax for women. We hope this helps you find the right wax to get the silky smooth skin you deserve. Do you have a favorite wax or waxing tips of your own? Share it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to MTH Health for more beauty and wellness tips.